Hello, it's Nina with WTI. This is my eucalyptus essential oils, and I am really happy with it. I like this brand. I feel like their oils are very um, rich and very consistent. I like too that they put it in the tinted bottle. That will help preserve the oil. And then this is eucalyptus, which is a very strong smell. So when you measure it out, you do want a really nice dropper so that you'll get the exact amount you want, which this one has. Oh, it does smell so good. So I'm super pleased with this one. And I'll give you a look at the size of the bottle. There you go. Yep. So I love it, and that is my point of view.